Hey guys, what's up? It's Siddhartha Buri, or Tech Wiz here, and today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone XR in blue version, 64 gigabytes. This is an absolutely beautiful phone. So let's get unboxing. Let's take this wrapper off here. Like I said, super beautiful. So for the packaging, we have the iPhone on the sides, iPhone on the other side. And the cool part about it is that it matches your eye color of your iPhone. So like whatever color you got, it matches that color. So let's open it. Dun 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 dun. So after we open it first, before we get to the phone, first we get these Apple stickers. Inside in this Apple pouch, we get these instructions, SIM ejector tool, and Apple stickers. Amazing, right? Then we get this little sheet. And oh my gosh, that looks absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at that blue color, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Let's put the phone aside and then let's take a look at what we get in the box here. So in the box, we get a 5-watt power adapter. Nice. Feels very, very paper. Then we get our lightning earpods, or whatever you call them. But first, let's take a look at this iPhone XR. So, I just love this beautiful blue color. No matter how many times I say it, it's beautiful. So then let's take this off. Oh, that sound is so satisfying. That sound was satisfying. We have the blue iPhone XR here. The screen, absolutely beautiful. Everything about this phone is beautiful with that single lens camera. So let's go ahead and boot this guy on. Beautiful. And I'll set this guy up and get right with you guys. After we unbox this, we see the blue color and everything. But the thing that bothers everyone most, I don't think you see it, is these fat bezels. So hopefully this won't bother my dad or anyone. So yeah, so we're gonna put the brand new blue iPhone XR inside the case that we got. So just slide it in there. And that looks amazing. There we go.